my warm shower host in Porto. Officially left Porto, and I decided to get to Lisbon from the coast. It's a bit fresh. It's kind of complicated to follow the Camino on the opposite direction. In Portugal, it's not very well signposted, and yeah. I left very late this morning because I wanted to sleep a little bit, and then rearrange a little bit my gear. And also my host was coming for the keys of the apartment, and he couldn't come until 2 o'clock. So it was nice to relax a little bit in the morning, but it means not many kilometers today. I stopped at Lidl to get some bread, and yeah, tonight I will camp somewhere. It's 4:30 now, and I did 30 kilometers because it's always very slow leaving a town. There's another ferry. I lost a bit of time. I lost half an hour waiting for the ferry. This ferry is done as well. Very peaceful. Oh, well, at the end, good progress towards Lisbon, despite the fact that I stopped a couple of times and I lost quite a bit of time with the ferry. Yeah, I'm 88.62 kilometers. I guess I should camp somewhere. Maybe here, but it's really dense and dark. And next to this road. All right, I would admit it's not the best choice, but yeah, there is a bit of noise from the road, but still, it's a nice camp. Bon dia. I camped there, somewhere there. It's the first time I see harvesting the resin of those pines. Those cups are actually empty, but on the other side I saw them full. It's really, I don't know, I would like to know what they do with this resin. Bon dia! Oh, it's not that good. Continuing the tradition where I bring rain everywhere, even in Portugal, among the heat wave that is hitting Europe, and there is no rain everywhere, but I got the only place in the country where there is a little bit of rain. There was a few clouds, like around a few kilometers of this area. We're very close to the Atlantic Ocean, and there was like a few clouds here all night. It wasn't raining a lot, but it was enough to get everything wet. What a lovely day in Portugal. I got a few messages yesterday. How do I cope with the heat wave in Portugal? Yeah, so hot. Today did not really improve, huh? We are in Silveira, Boa Vista, with Warmshower hosts, Morten and Mafalda, and they have a very friendly dog.
Yeah, our pit bull.
Yeah, a friendly pit bull. And there was another bike traveler from Spain, from Ibiza.
Yeah.
Welcome to Ibiza. So if you go to Ibiza, you can stay with him. He's a Warmshower host. Huh?
Yeah, sure. Oh, that's good to know. We'll be there.
Yeah.
If I'm there.
Portuguese with old windmills. And yeah, it's another beautiful day. Temperature less than 20 degrees. For my taste, it's quite cold. But yeah, now I should get to Cabo da Roca or Cabo da Roca, and from there I will get to Lisbon, and in Lisbon the weather should be nicer and much warmer. Almost made it. Only 40 kilometers to go. I think I need to climb there. Big Jesus. Let's suffer a little bit. And when I say a little bit, I mean a lot. First wall is done. Let's tackle the next one. I'm sure there was a painless paved road that would bring to this fucking place, but why would I choose this route? Who knows? Masochism. Oh wow. What do I see here? Peaches. There is a reward for choosing the shittier road to get to a place, and this is my reward. A peach tree. Actually, those are the special flat peaches. Not sure how they call them, but they're really good. I'll be here a while. Wall number 2 also done. Looks like we're going down and then up. Another wall. You can see the sign now. Cabo da Roca. I think 2 kilometers to go. That's the lighthouse in Cabo da Roca. This noise is because look at this girl. She's traveling with this monster. Where are you from?
Southern France, Marseille, Marseille, Aix-en-Provence.
And you're living in Europe now.
Yeah, with my motorcycle.
Very good. Do you wanna trade? I give you all my gear, my bicycle, tent, stove. You can cook. You can do everything. We change.
Yeah. Oh, it's not possible for me. It's too hard. Motorcycle is more easy.
Yeah. Bad expensive.
Yeah, it's the problem.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the south of France.
See you soon.
See you in Marseille. Ciao. This little mountain hill, I think it blocks the clouds for reaching Lisbon. So from here down, it should be getting sunnier and sunnier, and the temperature go up a little bit. I stop a little to have a bit of food and dry in my tent. Multitasking. Slow entry into Lisbon. There was a bike race, I think. Jesus, so many people. Number 15. That was my home in Lisbon, in a very nice area, I have to say, in the city center. There is a mirador, and you have the view on all the, well, most of the old part of the city and the river. Lovely family, Italian people, Italian lady and Portuguese husband, and a lovely little girl, 5 years old, Leah. Goodbye, Lisbon. Very beautiful, very nice city center, old town. And there is a bridge that looks like the one in California, and a Jesus Christ that looks like the one in Rio de Janeiro. Obviously, Portuguese says that the bridge in San Francisco was copied by this one, and the Jesus Christ in Brazil was copied by this one. So there you go. This is where I get the ferry to the other side, continuing south. Officially left Lisbon. I got to Setúbal and I'm waiting for the ferry to cross on the other side. I'm actually waiting for another bike traveler, but he broke his wheel. So I'm gonna have some food now here. Setúbal. Goodbye, Setúbal. The other bike is Ale's bike, and it's fucked. His wheel is fucked. Look at Ale's wheel. It's gonna break soon, very, very soon. This road is between sand dunes. There is water on the left and there is water on the right. We met a French guy on the ferry. It's this guy. He goes much faster than us, but he must have stopped for some reason, and we met him. He was looking for a place to camp. We told him we could camp together, but I think he's annoyed because we are slower than him. He's always turning on and off some sort of watch when he stops. I think he really likes to keep his stats very high. We're looking for a place to camp, but there is a bit of traffic and this forest is very dense. You can't really camp. And the places where there is a bit of sand, sometimes they're not flat or they're really visible by the road, and it's 3 tents. It's not one. Okay, at the end I think I found it. This place. Some motherfucker left some tea, some wet wipes, but yeah, it's a nice place for 3 tents. We need to clean it up from the pines. 'Cause the future